Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an easy DIY project. I decided to make my own vanity stool, so I decided to purchase the material and make my own stool. So here are the materials that you're going to need. For a rug, I have a stool that I bought. I'm taking off the plastic that is attached to the stool. That way it doesn't get hot or anything, or melt or anything from the hot glue that we're going to use. And like I said, I just decided to just cut it in half, and so I'm going to use one half and I'll keep another half for a rug. I actually used the other half to put down in the front of my mirror, and it's like a little small little white rug, so I do like that. The rug, because this is a very sturdy rug, so I knew I would have to use at least like a hot glue gun or like a electric kind of like stapler or something. So now I'm adding the glue to the bottom ends of the stool. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I really like how fluffy it looks and how it turned out. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more DIY projects like this one, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to comment down below and let me know if you all tried this method out.
Elevate, only obligation is to tell it straight.